Jai Srimannarayana. 17th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Atma Sambhavita Stabdhaha Dhanamana Madanvitaha Yajante Namayajnaiste Dambhena Avidhipurvakam. Om. Do never intoxicated by wealth, pride, and arrogance. Do never disregard our scriptures. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall never get intoxicated by wealth, arrogance, and pride. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall never disregard our scriptures. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasamyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 325th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Gopabalas, all the Gopalas were protected by Sri Krishna Paramatma from that huge fire All the boys were thinking Krishnasya yogaviryam tat yogamayanubhavitam. They are all thinking about Sri Krishna's yoga maya, yoga shakti, and saying that, and also thinking that menire amaram. Probably Krishna has some divine ability, Daiva Shakti. Or probably Krishna is Deva himself. Like that they are all thinking. Anyway, by then it got sunset. Then Krishna along with Balarama started heading towards Nandavraj along with his cows and other boys. On the way, Venum Viranayan, Krishna is playing his flute in such a very unique way. Here back in Vrindavanam, all the Gopikas, they were all craving to see Krishna Paramatma. They cannot bear the pain of not being able to see Krishna even for a second. Kshanam yugasatamiva kamalakshunoddhanundani nimishamu yugasatamukaga kamalakshuni chuchi mudamuganiri mahisha. Even 1 second for not being able to see Krishna, that is equal to 100 yugas for Gopikas. They all love Krishna so much. Now Krishna Paramatma, when he is entering into Vrindavan, Gopinam Paramananda Asit Govinda Darshane. While seeing Krishna Paramatma entering into Vrindavan, all the Gopikas felt extremely happy to see Krishna. After that, all the boys were telling Gopikas and elderly people about the great divine abilities, power, strength of Krishna and Balarama. How they protected all the boys from huge fire and how they killed Pralambasura. When all the boys were telling about all these adventurous things were done by Krishna and Balarama to all the Gopikas and elderly people, they all coming to a conclusion that probably Krishna and Balarama Sakshat, they are Deva Purushas who came down to this Vrindavan to protect all of us. Like that they were all thinking. So anyway, by then, now the rainy season, Varsha Rutu started in Vrindavan. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 17th sloka. Atma Sambhavita Astabdhaha Dhanamana Madanvitaha Yajante Namayajnaiste Dambhena Vidhipurvakam. Atma Sambhavita Astabdhaha Dhanamana Madanvitaha Yajante Nama Yajnaiste Dambhena Vidhipurvakam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.